Can you guess these 10 common animals just from their missing letters in 90 seconds? Let's see if you can guess them all.
First one.
Elephant.
Second one.
Rabbit.
Third one.
Tiger. Like the video if all 3 of your answers are correct.
Fourth one.
Dolphin.
Fifth one.
Giraffe.
Press the subscribe button for more daily quizzes. Sixth one.
Lion.
Seventh one.
Penguin. 8th one. Butterfly. Get ready for the bonus question. What's the only mammal that can fly? Type your answer in the comment. 9th one. Monkey.
Last one. Drop your answer in the comments.